time, I'd also like to join forces with like-minded individuals, and maybe you have a business idea that I can help you with. So at one point, I actually had the proposition, somebody offered to do sort of a business exchange, so to set up their business on my property, and I would get a percentage from their sales when they started to actually sell something. So again, that's another possibility. Realistically, if you were to be in this full-time, join this project, join my team full-time, I mean, everybody needs a little bit of money. But what I suggest is you could, whatever small part-time job that you get, all that money you save, because I'm not going to be charging you rent. So even though you get less money, like I said, once again, you're not using any of that money for anything. And that's the beauty of having your own property. All right. So if you have any other questions, I hope this explains the current situation and what my goals are for this year. And please feel free to ask me any questions, write down on the comments, or contact me directly. All right, guys, thanks for watching.